Hi guys, this is my review of the Glock Gammo. It is a Auto 45. Very awesome pistol. It's right now at Cabela's it's around 50-60 bucks. Okay, so open this hatch out. Put the BBs in this rail here. Put it down, CO2 here, and I'm going to do a few shots at these pop cans, and that will be the end of the review. Wait, I might want to go back a little. So it's semi-automatic, CO2. Crazy pistol, but